Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to talk about 4 sites and bots that you can earn from while completing simple tasks. Before we can start, this is my Telegram channel. You are welcome to join. Here we drop updates on how you can earn money online. So now let's dive into it. So the first one is FoxiGrow. I have already made a video concerning FoxiGrow. Both the withdrawal and everything has been confirmed. You can check it on my channel. Then all you need to do is to connect your social accounts. After connecting them, you can now be able to complete tasks. As you can see, I have $3.87 on it. I'm supposed to withdraw, but I'm waiting for it to reach $5 before I can withdraw. The minimum withdrawal on this bot is $2. So if you complete your task and you get up to $2, you are free to withdraw. So don't mind me. And I will show you guys some of my withdrawals on the platform. Let me click on withdraw history. You see, I have withdrawn $4 so far, or let me say 4.1 so far on the platform. So the withdrawal takes 24 hours. When you place your withdrawal, you have to wait for 24 hours before you can withdraw. And if you go down, you will see that account management, I linked my social media: Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. The only one I did not link is my Facebook because I don't have a Facebook account. So the platform is very easy. Available task here is Twitter account, which if I'm to do the task, I'll just click on start, click on go follow. But the requirement there is I have to have up to 20 followers in my X account, and my X account should be up to 90 days. So I did not meet the requirement. That's why I'm not doing the task. So every day they do drop tasks, and some days they will not drop, so it depends. So the second one is the Rocketbux. This one is pretty easy. Why do I say so? When they drop task, you also receive it, you see it. And if you complete any tasks, make sure you don't unfollow whatever you join, because if you unfollow it, you are reducing your trust value. If you check up, my trust value is 100%. This is it's 100%. So if I'm to unfollow, it will keep on dropping, and when it's up to 0, they will ban my account. So make sure whatever you're joining from on the platform, if they tell you to follow and leave it, don't unfollow. So here you just have to go to your profile, link one of your accounts, your Twitter account. When you link, if there is any available task, you will see it here. You see it there. So far I've completed 14 tasks so far, and I have 0.300. I would have gone far. I would have gone far on this board, but what happened is that at first the linking was having issues, so I couldn't link my Twitter account, and tax was dropping that period, and I couldn't do anything. And their requirement was so high. In your Twitter account, you have to get up to 20 followers. It must get up to 30 days, something like that, before you can link. And I don't have followers on my Twitter. I only created it for tasking. So later on they reduced it, and you don't need to have followers before linking. So that's why my money is still small. The minimum withdrawal on this platform is, on this bot, is $2. So you can just click on the amount. You use your BEP20, same as FoxiGrow. Use your BEP20 address, put $2, and you request for your payment, and you receive it. So let's go over to the third one. So this is the third bot. This is, let's say, out of the 4 tasks, out of the 4 any site, this is the simplest one that you can come across, because the minimum withdrawal is $1. I have tested the withdrawal. This is it. History. This is a 1.035. Don't mind the pending. I've actually received it. It's on the screen. I've actually received the payment, but it's still showing pending, so don't mind them. you need to do is, this one has a check-in reward. So if there is no task available every day, you can just come here and check in. You can just come there, check in daily, and you receive. So it's only checking that I use in getting this 0.48, and that's how I even withdraw the first one. So they hardly drop task because the minimum withdrawal is $1. So they hardly drop task, but the check-in can make you reach up to the $1 for you to withdraw. You can also invite your friends to join. You can also invite your friends. When your friends join, you guys can earn together. So this is the fourth one, and it's a website where you can complete social tasks and earn in return. Take note, I have not made any personal withdrawal on this particular one, but I have seen a lot of withdrawals because the minimum withdrawal is $5 and you have to reach up to the $5 before you can withdraw. So as you can see, I just joined. I have $1.50, so I have to get up to $5 before I can place my withdrawal. But this is kind of complicated sometimes when new users join. So when you join, you can't just rush in to complete task. Click on the three dash at the top, go to your profile. It's very important. When you go to your profile, you then have to link your social account. This is it. This is where you can link it. Just tap on it, then scroll down. You can, as you can see, my Instagram is linked, YouTube is linked, TikTok is not linked yet, Telegram is in. So if you have anyone that you want to link, you can link it up and complete task under them. Anyone that you do not link, you cannot complete tasks. So make sure you go to your profile to link some of the social media that you want to complete tasks on them, and you can link it. The only thing you can do is just follow their instruction, put the username that you're answering on that social media. They will send you a code that you can put in the description or in your bio. Then you confirm. That's all. Take a screenshot and you confirm. So it's very easy. So how do you perform tasks on this one? So all you need to do is to click on the available task. So as you can see, I have, this is my available task that I have not done. So here they said like YouTube video, so I will just click on it, click on start, then click on the link. When you click on the link, just click once, it will direct you. As long as you have linked your YouTube or whatever that you're doing, when you click on, they'll direct you to your YouTube. There you can now like. When you like the video that they told you to like, take a screenshot, come here and upload and submit. It's very simple. So if by mistake you started something and you did not finish it, maybe something happened, you couldn't find the task again, just come here, go back. Just like I started this one now, I cannot perform any other task if I do not complete this task. So but this is how you can find the task that you do not complete. Just click on the three dash, click on my task, scroll down, you can now see it, unpaid task. So you can now click on it to complete your task. So the link to the four sites will be on the description box. If you have not subscribed to this hour, please hit the subscribe button, like, also share this video. Thank you.